Hi, how to print and move files after printing using Directory Monitor. Now to go Options menu, Directory Monitor Setup. Now I'm going to set it to monitor this folder here. So I'm going to put in that path. I just want to print PDFs. Now I want to keep always check logs before printing, that's to stop repeat printing. Now afterwards I'm going to move it to this done folder here. So when a successful print happens, it will move it to that folder afterwards. And I also want to print any errors to the error folder here. So that's now all set up. So I'm just going to update that profile. I'll add a new one. And click Activate Monitoring. I set the number of seconds to 5 in this case. And set the printer to this printer here. And that's it. And so now it should pick up any PDF and move it to that folder afterwards in the done. So what I'll do, I'll open another window, save and exit. So it's loaded the files, so you can see it's printing them and then it's moving them straight away. So if I look at what's spooling, and see it's going to spool queue, and that's VG. That's everything done. So in this case there were no errors. Now the reason why it's picking up it again is because in Directory Monitor you need to make sure include all subdirectories is unchecked. Otherwise anything within the main folder, say the done folder, will start again. So I'm going to update that. Activate monitoring. So I'm going to clear all. I'm going to clear the logs. So you see now it won't pick anything up. If I move those files back, see it's printing those again, as it should do. And now that's all done. So it's that simple really. You just need to make sure that that box is unchecked, otherwise it will start printing again if it's within the same folder as the print folder. Give it a try.